Welcome back to our sanctuary of aesthetic excellence. Today, we are exploring a breathtaking contrast that celebrates both color and health. Notice how the vibrant emerald green on the nails highlights the natural, healthy pink glow of the soles. This isn't just a pedicure, it's a statement of vitality. When we choose bold colors like this, we emphasize the perfection of the skin's texture. As she rests in her flip-flops, we can appreciate the results of a dedicated restoration routine. Achieving this specific shade of pink on the soles requires more than just hydration. It requires consistency. Green is the color of renewal, and it perfectly complements the youthful energy that well-maintained feet radiate. Look at the symmetry and the smoothness. This is the high standard we always strive for. Let's take a closer look at the details. The way the light hits the emerald polish creates a sophisticated frame for the skin. In the world of high-end foot care, every detail matters, from the neatness of the cuticles to the soft transition of tones on the heels. This morning fresh look is perfect for those who value elegance even in the simplest moments of relaxation. Observe how the natural sunlight interacts with the emerald tones, revealing the incredible health of the nails underneath. This level of clarity is only possible when we prioritize professional cleaning and deep exfoliation. Every movement shows the flexibility and softness of the skin, proving that true beauty starts with a foundation of health and disciplined daily care. Beyond the aesthetics, the feeling of lightness after a complete restoration is unmatched. It's about more than just looking good. It's about the confidence that comes from knowing every inch of your body is treated with the highest standard of care. When we pay attention to these small, refined details, we elevate our entire self-care experience to a new level of luxury. Maintaining this level of care is a form of self-respect. If you enjoyed this unique contrast of emerald and pink, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more professional aesthetic sessions. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite color to highlight your natural glow? See you in the next restoration.